Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to turn on Airplay on Samsung TV. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Open network settings. Wireless. Select your Wi-Fi network. Your Samsung TV and your Apple device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Airplay settings. Turn on Airplay and remove all devices. Require code, select first time only. On an Apple device, connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on Airplay. Select your Samsung TV. Enter Airplay code. If everything is fine, you will see a screen like this. That's it. Now you know how to turn on Airplay on Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.